In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Zoom microphone in just 5 minutes. Sometimes technology can be a bit tricky, especially when you're in a rush to join an important meeting and suddenly your microphone decides not to cooperate. But worry not, as I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps that should have you back up and running in no time. First, let's start by heading over to the Zoom website. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to your Zoom account. Once the page has loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Sign In. Enter your credentials and log into your account. It's always a good idea to ensure you're signed in to easily access any Zoom meetings you're scheduled for. Now that you've successfully signed in, proceed to your scheduled meeting. You can do this by clicking on the relevant meeting link or code. Once you're in your meeting interface, draw your attention towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should be able to see an audio icon represented by a small arrow. Click on that. Once the audio options are displayed, select Audio Settings. This is where you can control and adjust various audio-related preferences for your meeting. Here, you should be able to test both your speaker and microphone to ensure they are functioning correctly. Simply click on Test Speaker and Test Mic options. This valuable troubleshooting technique allows you to diagnose if there is indeed a problem with the hardware or just a misconfiguration that needs tweaking. As you test your microphone, speak into it and check if the input level bar reacts accordingly by moving as you talk. If there's no movement, it might mean that your microphone is either muted or not correctly set up. Double-check to ensure it's properly connected to your device and selected as the input device in Zoom. Meanwhile, when you test the speaker, a short sound should play to confirm the audio output is working as expected. If you don't hear anything, verify that your speakers are turned on and set as the output device. By following these steps, you should have identified any issues and resolved them quickly. Remember, it's always beneficial to conduct these checks before your meetings to prevent any last-minute hurdles. Technology can occasionally be unpredictable, but taking a few moments to prepare can smooth out any potential disruptions. And that's all it takes to fix your microphone on Zoom. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or check out other troubleshooting tips in our next videos. Thanks for watching and good luck with your meetings.